Hello, third grade, and welcome to Positive Action for today. Now, we've been looking at how to keep our physical body healthy and how to keep a positive self-action and how that can make us feel good about ourselves and have a positive self-concept. We have learned that things we can do to our body can keep us happy and healthy. Can you remember the areas we discussed, like nutrition, cleanliness, exercise, sleep, and rest? Being healthy isn't just about taking care of our bodies, though. We have to take care of our minds, too. We call this wellness when we are totally healthy in the body, mind, and feelings. Today, we will start a series of lessons about our intellectual needs, or the needs our minds have, which can be met by choosing a positive action. Our minds or brains must be used daily, or they won't continue to work well and be healthy. Our minds work even more when we don't tell them to. When we sleep, when we don't tell our minds to dream, we don't say, "Brain, control my breathing, I'm busy." Your brain is more sophisticated than the technology of the computers we use in school and at home. When you touch something hot, your mind sends a signal to your hands, so you quickly take away your hand and say, "Ouch." It tells your heart to beat, your lungs to breathe, and your muscles to work automatically. As we talk about the needs of our minds we have this week, we be watching the news and listening to the radio to learn more about the mind. You might also spend time searching the internet and looking in the library. We will have time to share in our later lessons. Now, if you have ever seen this symbol next to a cartoon or above their head, you might remember that it symbolizes a person thinking or a good thought or idea. Our light bulb reminds us to use intellectual positive actions. In fact, we already practice positive actions every day that we come to school. Reading, literature, math, science, and social studies, and art are all intellectual positive actions. They challenge our minds and make us become better thinkers. These positive actions that we practice right now are contributing not to only our present, but also our future happiness and success. Some more specific intellectual positive actions we will learn are curiosity, wondering about things, thinking creatively, or thinking of new ideas on your own. Learning about new things, solving problems, and memorizing. For your assignment today, I want you to think of some specific examples of learning about new things, solving problems, and memorizing. For example, something that you do to practice your intellectual positive actions. You might learn how to ride a bike. You might learn how to ride a hoverboard. And that is making good, positive intellectual actions. Solving problems. Maybe at home, there is something that you're trying to solve and you can write an example here. Memorizing. We are all doing that right now and practicing our positive intellectual actions, memorizing our multiplication facts. Fill out these 3 areas either by using a voice note or a typing tool, and then you'll be complete for positive action for today.